Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch appliance is showing the A2 error code, you may notice that the cycle stops unexpectedly or the machine behaves differently than usual. Error codes like A2 can appear because of temporary interruptions, drainage related concerns, or communication issues inside the Bosch appliance. Since there are several possible causes, it's a good idea to begin with a few basic checks before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. In many situations, a simple reset and inspection can help determine whether the issue is temporary. In this video, I'll walk you through several steps that may help clear the A2 error and restore normal operation to your Bosch appliance. Try these. Step 1. Take note of the A2 message shown on the Bosch appliance and stop the current operation. Step 2. Disconnect the Bosch appliance from the power supply to initiate a reset. Step 3. Leave the Bosch appliance unplugged for several minutes before reconnecting it. Step 4. Inspect the drainage path associated with the Bosch appliance for possible restrictions. Step 5. Restart the Bosch appliance and begin a fresh cycle. Step 6. Observe the Bosch appliance and confirm whether the A2 error has been cleared.